Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. So on the day one of the Bbnaija reunion show, Prince finally launches his Salon at lockdown reunion. No one ever expected it. Yes, former lockdown housemate and Big Brother Naija season 5 reality television star, model cum hairstylist Prince Nelson Iwerim finally launches his most anticipated salon. Recall that Prince proved back in the lockdown house that he was groomed with many talents in his favor, most especially his expertise in hairstyling and barbing. The Imo State native was the number one lockdown housemate who plaited the hairs of his female colleagues as well as cut that of his male counterparts. Prince was almost man of the show, which was confirmed by Big Brother at the time his team won the hairstyling and fashion competition from beauty brand Darling. Alrighty, as he is fondly called by his supporters, never revealed that he had already opened the hair salon, even though he assured and repeatedly told his fans that one of his major establishments outside the house will be launching a salon. Now it's finally here. Prince has officially announced and launched the highly anticipated Prince Salon, and everyone is amazed to see the reality star dream come true. The official launching took place during the Bbnaija lockdown reunion show day one on Thursday, June 17, 2021. The day one of the show seems to be the introduction of all housemates except the likes of Ka3na, who repeatedly didn't attend and wasn't present on the first day, although they will be seen in the subsequent series.
What they say, looking good is good business. And that's why Prince has made it his business.
Meanwhile, former Big Brother Naija housemate Ka3na Jones has issued a stern warning to her fellow ex-housemates ahead of their lockdown reunion show, which continues tonight. All housemates are expected to appear for the Bbnaija 2020 lockdown reunion, which will telecast on DSTV tonight at 10 p.m. Ka3na has sent a message to her former housemates urging them to maintain their maturity they showed while in their hotels prior to the show. Ka3na told ex-housemates not to say things they never said to her while they were in the house, since when they had the chance to throw much tantrums and air their grievances like they did, hence they should not drag themselves to the mud on national television, but rather offer their fans and viewers of the channel great entertainment. She wrote via Twitter, "Dear ex-housemates, we all met, sat together, lived together in the same hotel for several nights, which I believed we had all the opportunity to throw as much tantrums as we wanted. But you all acting mature and responsible, let it continue that way. I believe we have all heard our grievances, discussed it, and move on. Please, whatever you couldn't or didn't say to me should remain unsaid and buried. Don't be a push. We all did put a great show. Now let the viewers and fans of the show get entertained," she said. Omo na wahala for who no like wahala o. This Bbnaija lockdown reunion is going to be a banger. Wow, I'm so excited. Can't wait to watch the episode 2 of the show tonight. Guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Something very interesting is actually going on social media, as V has been accused of admitting at reunion that she is a witch. Bbnaija V has stepped a bit close to losing it after some trolls and rival fans got to her nerves while accusing her of admitting at the reunion that she is a bitter girl and a witch. You could recall that a few days ago, Bbnaija organizers posted snippet video hinting on what will happen on the reunion show, which has been set to premiere on Thursday, June 17. And in the video, V was slightly confirming to the show host Ebuka that she accepts being bitter and a witch.
Okay, I am a bitter leaf, I am a witch, and I accept.
The reality star put it that people wouldn't let her be since she came out of the house, with many still hitting on the fact that she was the most bitter lockdown housemate. However, V's fans have taken to social media to remind her that she is still their favorite and as it stands, one of the sweetest, lovely, unbiased and straightforward girl back then in the lockdown house. A fan wrote, "Hey, at V, you are not a bitter girl, inshallah. You are a sweet, lovely, unbiased and straightforward girl and we love you for it." At Usman Ashafi tweeted. And countering the compliment, a true and rival fan identified as Aloysius came saying that V wasn't what her fans think she is. As the troll counters V fan, the reality star surfaced with a response telling the troll that she is mad, with the troll reminding V of her words at the reunion show. Following the reminder from the troll, V called star advising that she get out of her comment section. Awaisha said, "She is at V, you are mad," replying to V and Usman Ashaf. Awaisha wrote, "But you confirmed it yourself now, that you are a witch, don't be me talk am alone, so we are all mad." V then replied saying, "Get your mommy Giogeli out of my mention, silly girl." Guys, it's getting hot and hot. The Bbnaija reunion show is just a day old and we're already having issues everywhere in the social media space. Guys, what do you think about these recent happenings in the Bbnaija reunion lockdown show? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And also, if this is your first time of viewing my video, please don't fail to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification whenever a new video drop. Thank you and stay safe.